It's called a ney. This is a Persian ney. This is what Rumi was talking about. So the Persians play it like this, like I was playing it. And the Turks play it a different style, which I haven't quite mastered, so I haven't even actually, mastery is not even, but they play it off to the side like this. The idea though is it's a straight pipe, and you don't play it from here. This is the oldest woodwind instrument in history. And it took about 1,000 years to go from this to this. So so these were the original, like they found this style of ney in the pyramids. So it's a piece of reed, and you look funny when you play it in the Persian style because you do this. You move your lip, So you can't be self-conscious about what you look like when you're playing it. Yeah, so when you do you have to get me from this angle. It's really hard to play. And I've got 5 of them or 6 of them for different keys. Each one's in a different key.